In this video you will see how to use the tire inflation kit from Mazda CX-5 2014 or other Mazda cars in just 7 easy steps. As you can see, the front right wheel has a puncture, where a fairly thick bolt has been stuck in it. To solve the problem, you have to use the tire inflation kit that is found in the boot. This is what the tire inflation kit from Mazda CX-5 looks like, where you have the compressor with which you will inflate the wheel, the instruction manual, the hose that attaches to the bottle, a small plastic bag in which you have a spare valve and a special tool with which you can unscrew the valve from the wheel, the sticker that must be placed somewhere visible to remind you that you are not allowed to drive at a speed higher than 80 km per hour or 50 miles per hour, the sealing bottle, First, you remove the plastic cap from the tire valve. Two, remove the valve using the orange plastic tool from the tire inflation kit. Three, remove the screw, or nail, from the tire using a pliers. If you think that nail or screw can keep damage the tire while driving to the nearest expert repairer, remove it. Otherwise you can leave it there until you reach the destination. If the hole is larger than 6 mm, it's too big to fix and you have to call for assistance. You have to follow the instructions from the user manual. Four, start shaking the bottle sealant before you put it in the tire. After removing the 2 plugs, you have to connect the hose to the bottle. Five, remove the cap from the hose and connect it to the wheel valve and then start pouring the sealant liquid inside the tire. Press the bottle with both hands while pouring it into the tire so that it drains faster. Six, disconnect the hose from the valve, wipe the solution valve and then install the valve back. Seven, inflate the tire using the compressor from the tire inflation kit. To use the compressor, first start the engine, but make sure that the gearshift is not in any gear and the handbrake is on. Connect the hose to the valve of the deflated tire. Then start the engine and connect the compressor cable to the 12-volt socket in the front. Start the compressor again to know how much air pressure we need. Look at the label on the B-pillar by the driver's door. In this case, the correct air pressure for inflating the front right tire on Mazda CX-5 2014 is 2.5 bar or 250 kilopascal. After the compressor has reached the value of 2.5 bar, disconnect the hose from the tire valve and then install the plastic cap back. Now you are ready to go to the nearest tire repair shop. Keep the speed below 80 kilometers per hour or 50 miles per hour. You must take care that after 10 minutes of driving, you have to stop to check the tire pressure. If the pressure is below 1.3 bar or 130 kilopascal, then you need to inflate the tire again to the pressure indicated on the sticker. There is a picture from the tire repair shop where we patched the flat tire. You can also see the sealant liquid that is spread all over the inside of the tire. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. Thank you for watching.